As you know, we are here at the archaeological site of the Vijnot, where we are going to have the excavation. We have the team from the archaeological department of Shabdalati University, Khairpur, and we have started here a trial trench with the width of the 5 to 5, yani ki 15 feet width and the height. So we have started from last week until today. We have found so many coins as well as the pottery, and we hope so that this site maybe belongs to the Buddhist period of Buddhism. So that's why we are here.
Actually, sir, this is Rashid Abbas. I'm a PhD scholar from Qaeda University, Islamabad, sir. We are trying to excavate this site, which belongs to almost 15 years, 1500 years old. And we can also talk about their religion and their cultural activities and their societies. Suppose if we are supposed to speak regarding their religion, and I'm sure their religion was just we can say Buddhist religion, and there are few remains which belongs to also to the Hindu Shahi period. So on this stage we are not sure about that who were the earlier. Either they were Hindus were earlier or Buddhists were earlier. So we are trying to confirm the chronological order of that, and without the excavation process we cannot we can assure their chronological order. So in this regard we are trying to convey the message to the entire world that the site belongs to the we can say ancient times.
We are here 10 to 12 kilometers away from Ubado in district Ghotki. This is a historical place named Vijnot, and I am invite my colleagues, my brothers from all over the world. They may come here and visit this historical site.